Hi guys, just recently received this Higgsinno Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner to test and make a review or video. And so I've been super excited. By the way, I'm showing this here only pretty quickly, and there's quite a reason for that. So here's the unboxing. You can see everything came nicely protected. The whole thing is fully assembled. Also filter looking really nice, easy to clean, very easy to charge here with magnetic charger. Then we have the free app, which is also not too difficult to connect. Of course, it's only Bluetooth and sometimes it disconnects, but usually it's very easy to reconnect again. So no complaints so far. And so I've been putting this into my pool. You can see it was ready. And then you put it down, it floats away, and then after some time it sinks down to the bottom. You should still have some connection through Bluetooth. I think there's a Bluetooth receiver transmitter here, because otherwise probably the water would block the connection. And so I let it go and started the cleaning process, and so it went away to the other side, came back then a little bit later. I think I have somehow like a time lapse, or I was planning to make a time lapse, so it went back and forth 2 times. So it started here, went here, 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 and back, and then in a sudden it had stopped. And so I checked the app, and it was saying suction motor error. Can see the red sign here. So I took it out, cleaned it, gave a full charge, and wanted to reconnect, but it would not even reconnect anymore, because it looks like the whole electronics inside was already fully destroyed, because there was probably water inside, and so the whole pool cleaner was then end of life. So I contacted the seller, and they gave me even a second one, and with the second one I had exactly same experience. The manufacturer even asked to get the robot back, and I think they already know about the problem. So definitely at this point here in probably June, maybe July or so, early summer 2024, probably not a good idea to buy this pool robot vacuum. They have promised to work on that, improve the whole situation and avoid this error in the manufacturing process in the future. So maybe later in the year or next year or so we will be able to buy this again, and it should be fully working again. But at the moment I wouldn't recommend to buy it until we get confirmation that they have produced a new series with proper seal preventing water damage. So that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Unfortunately not very positive information, but I hope it still helps. And if you want to share your own experience with this robot vacuum cleaner, by the way the model is ezSpirit01, then please let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.